This week also places the Philippine National Police on the regional stage as we host the 44th ASEANAPOL Conference under the theme United in Vision, Securing People and Strengthening Collaboration. This gathering reflects the confidence of our ASEAN partners in the capability of the PNP. Let us ensure that every delegate experience not only our professionalism and operational readiness, but also the warmth and hospitality for which Filipinos are known. As we carry our duties, let us remember that every patrol, every investigation, every arrest, and every act of service contributes to something greater than ourselves. The trust and confidence of the Filipino people. Let us continue to serve with integrity, courage, and compassion as we build a bagong PNP para sa bagong Pilipinas.
Serbisyong mabilis, tapat, at nararamdaman.